Hello guys, I'm Adriana and today we are facing a charging issue with this Huawei P30 Pro and we'll see how to solve it. For this we need to remove the back cover and the upper antenna. With the help of Leonardo, this afternoon we are going to give a solution to this device. Our first visual inspection, we are going to make it with the help of the microscope. Our customer confirmed us that he had problem with the FPC connector of the motherboard. We are talking about the FPC connector that connects the main Flux with the charging module. If you have the possibility of removing it without applying heat, it's much better for the motherboard. Otherwise, it can be removed using a hot air gun. We apply a little bit of flux and we solder the pads. Then we have to clean using a desoldering wick. In the description of this video, I will leave you the link from where to buy the flux and the solder lead that I use, so don't forget to check the description part. With the soldering at 350 Celsius degrees and solder wire, we review the pads. If you like this type of content, please give me a strong like and subscribe to our channel so we'll upload every 2 days real repairs from our laboratory. Thank you. To solder it, we use a heat station at 400 Celsius degrees and 50% air. To avoid burning the plastic connector, we have to keep the nozzle moving. We cannot stop even for 2 seconds. This is the trick to solder any plastic connector. Now let's assemble our device and check if it's working well.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic, go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the...
As you can see, we've got a good charge of 2 amperes. Guys, here's Leonardo, thanks for watching, this was today's video, see you next time, bye bye!
You can see all the healing if the pain's in the past. Move on from the grave and put your foot